What's going on, guys? This is Eddie, and I'm going to show you how to make a very cool time zone calculator right now based on the Gleason's map. This is ready. For example, right now in Japan, it's 4 p.m. So Japan stands right here. It's a tiny country, so I had to write 135 degrees east. So I know when I see this red here, that's where Japan is. It's 4 p.m. So I position 135 degree right here at 4 p.m., 16 hours military time. So I know right now where my mom lives in Brazil, it's 4 a.m. And everything ahead of her is a.m., like 3 a.m., 2 a.m., and I know that right now, for example, it's 4 p.m. here in Japan. New York, it's around 2 a.m., 14 hours behind me. Alabama, 1 a.m. Texas, it's midnight. California, 11 p.m. It's pretty cool. And I'm going to show you the way I did. I'm going to make the file available for downloading so you can download. So this is what I did. I printed on this is A3 sized paper. So I think it's about like 20 inches by 30, something like that. So I printed this color. You don't need to print in color. You can print black and white. It's up to you. I don't have a laser printer at home, so I only pay 80 cents for this. You need to print 2 copies, because one of them you're going to cut it right here, right on this line right here. So you're going to print 2. I have a laminating machine at home, so it's pretty easy for me. I went ahead and laminated this. And I have a pin. This is a split pin, those that you fold in the back. So it makes really nice. So I laminated both of them. Everything based on the Gleason's map, November 15, 1892, New Standard Map of the World, Time Zone Calculator. I've made several of them. So the way I did is like I have 24 hours here. Since we cannot rotate this part because it's the one that's printed on the paper, you have to rotate this. So it's pretty easy. So if you are, let's say, anywhere here, this is Greenwich time, London, the equator. This black line here means it's the Antarctic Treaty, 1959, 60th parallel. So it means anything below that you cannot explore. Alright, the map is in high resolution, the file, so you probably can get a size even bigger than that. It's really good for homeschooling, all that stuff. So I'm going to make this file available for download. If you want to print one and make your time zone calculator, I'm going to punch a hole here and hang on the wall. It's going to be pretty good. And I use this a lot because I talk to people all over, and sometimes I don't know what the time zones, like some people want to talk to me, have like live hangouts or something, and I need to know the time zone difference. And one more thing, guys, I would like to ask you if you can make a short video, send it to me. Make a horizontal, just like this orientation here. If you can make a horizontal video, just say, hey, my name is John, I'm from Australia, and Earth is flat, something like that, NASA lies or whatever. Let's see if we can put it together. I have some friends here in Japan that are already making. I already got videos, but I want to, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes worth of videos or 10 minutes. So you guys have a nice 2022. Hope everything goes all right. And I'll talk to you later. Okay? All right. Thank you.
Hi. Konbawa, Faith Waters.
Hi, I'm Grant.
I believe the Earth is flat. Geocentric love.
What is this?
What is this? Is that a model of the flat, geocentric Earth?
Earth is not a planet spinning in space. Earth is a stationary, flat plane and the center of God's creation.
Greetings from Germany. The Earth is flat.
Yeah, the Earth is flat. There's no doubt about it.
Then the sun is not 93 million miles away.
The globe Earth spins in theory. The flat Earth rests on fact.
The Earth is flat.
Check out the facts. The Earth is flat.
Thinks that the Earth is pear-shaped. No, the Earth is flat.
La Tierra es plana. The Earth is flat.
We know the Earth is flat, but the secret's getting out.
It's flat.
There's a firmament.
It's flat.
There's no spinning ball, and there's no US flags on the moon.
The Earth is flat, and that's the flat-out truth.
The Earth is flat.
The Earth is flat!
The Earth is flat.
The Earth is flat.
The Earth is flat.
The Earth is flat.
Earth is flat.
The Earth is flat.
Earth is flat.
The 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 Earth is flat.